everyone, Karen from Charming Bird Creations, and today I'm going to be making a fall deco mesh wreath using this really cute sign that I got from Sims Pottery. I have 21-inch jute mesh in the natural color. I also have 3 different colors of the 10-inch mesh, one in tan, one in orange, and one in the teal color as well, and I'm going to be making rolls with those. I've got 2 florals here that I got from Hobby Lobby in the teal color, and I got this really cute plaid pumpkin that I got from the at-home store. I have a variety of 1.5 and 2.5 inch wired ribbons that I'm going to be using for my bow and for my ribbon tails. And the ribbon tails, I'm going to be cutting those into 12-inch lengths. Some other supplies that you're going to need are a hot glue gun. You're going to need a staple gun, some pipe cleaners, 22 gauge wire. Going to need some really sharp scissors and wire cutters. And if you have any questions on anything that I do today, please leave me a message in the comments and I will get you an answer as soon as I can. And the item that I am making today will be available for sale in my Etsy store, and I will put a link for that as well as all of the supplies that I'm using today in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow Charming Bird Creations on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and get started.